Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade light. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small LED, a 3-volt coin cell battery, and 2 short pieces of insulated wire. Ensure your wires are stripped at both ends, exposing about 1/4 of an inch of copper. This project is perfect for beginners and demonstrates fundamental electrical principles. Let's get started with connecting our components. To begin, ensure you have a small light-emitting diode, or LED, which is crucial for this project. Next, grab a 3-volt coin cell battery. This will provide the necessary power. Finally, you'll need 2 insulated wires, each about 4 inches long, with both ends stripped to reveal approximately 1/4 of an inch of copper. Having these items ready makes the assembly process smooth and efficient. Now, let's assemble your light. Take 1 stripped wire and carefully connect it to the longer, positive lead of your LED. Then, attach the second stripped wire to the shorter, negative lead of the LED. Finally, connect the free end of the positive wire to the positive side of your 3-volt battery and the negative wire to the negative side. Your homemade light should now illuminate brightly. If your homemade light isn't glowing, don't worry. First, double-check all your wire connections to ensure they are secure. Also, verify that your LED's positive and negative leads are correctly aligned with the battery terminals. Sometimes, simply reversing the LED can solve the issue. This simple project is a great introduction to basic electronics. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.